Domino's Pizza, man. Take your order.
Hi. I'd like to order a medium hand-tossed pizza.
Medium hand-tossed pepperoni with jalapenos?
No, a medium hand-tossed pepperoni.
Medium hand-tossed pepperoni with extra cheese?
No, medium hand-tossed pepperoni pizza.
Medium hand-tossed pepperoni with anchovies?
Nope. Medium hand-tossed pepperoni pizza.
Medium hand-tossed pepperoni with marshmallow?
Medium hand-tossed pepperoni pizza.
Take the apple.
Pepe.
It'll make you cool if you eat this apple.
Pepe.
All the cool people are doing it.
Pepe.
Eat it.
Okay.
Persuasion. Here you are, sir. Thank you for eating at Subway.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Holy flying monkeys, there's jalapenos on this sandwich. This is nonsense. Do you see this? What in the name of 2 feet long do you think you're doing, huh?
I gave you your order.
No, that's enough. What kind of a Mickey Mouse operation is this? This is ridiculous.
Sir, this is what
is
you ordered.
ridiculous.
No, sir.
No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
sorry.
I'm done. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Hey, give me all your money.
What's the Prince
Give
supposed to
me
do? I don't have any money. I don't have any
Give me
money.
all your money.
I don't have any money.
Treat others the way you wish to be treated. Those trees look like they're dancing in the wind.